So again, I have designed this to hold the 36 millimeter big old selfie stick here. Of course, you can use something smaller. It does screw into the base, and you've got a set screw here where you can put a thumb screw, which I'll include, so you can tighten it against a smaller one. Then it's going to come up through this base here, through the top mount. You can also secure it down with this thumb screw. So that should keep the wiggle to a minimum, but the more you've got your selfie stick extended, the more wiggle you're going to get. There's just no way around that. That's due to the stick and not the mount. So let me show you how to install this. All right, so like I said, this is your 2-inch receiver hitch, and if you notice, it is a little wobbly, and it's designed that way. It's designed to go up and down the flex depending on your ride and your situation. What you're going to do with your selfie stick collapsed, you're going to put it in here and you're going to screw it down inside that base. And like I said, if you've got a smaller diameter selfie stick, it's going to screw in there, and then you're going to use the enclosed thumb screw to make it tight. So now your selfie stick will rock back and forth to meet up with this top mount here. And this top mount is designed for the King Quad 750 for this rack that has the holes in it with the threaded screws. It's got 2 little bushings under here. It's going to come with the screws and the bolts, and you're just going to bolt this down. You're going to put the spacer there. You're going to bolt this down to this one and this one, which is right on the back of your bar. Once that's in place, it's pretty sturdy. You're going to angle your stick, and you're going to start extending it through the hole. So once you've got that extended through the hole there, just tighten your screw down and extend your selfie stick out as far as you want it. Of course, put your 360 camera on and you're good to go. So the lower you keep your stick, the less wiggle you're going to have, and the higher you get, the better shot you're going to have. But on rough terrain, you're going to have some wiggle.